Dr. Nimi Rastogi, spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, on the telecast with me. So, Dr. Rastogi, the date has been announced. What is going to be the agenda of the Aam Aadmi Party in the coming days with regards to campaigning that will be now in full stead?
So Aam Aadmi Party is fully ready, fully in the top gear of activities. Our CM face is decided. Our candidates have been announced. It's just the word go, and we will contest this election based on our work. People already love us, and they have shown it last 3 times. Our percentage vote will increase in all its probability, and we are actually pretty excited and enthusiastic to go ahead with this celebration of democracy.
Right, absolutely. Now, the important points that had been raised by the Chief Election Commissioner, particularly over the allegations that have been made against the Election Commission, talking about how there is alleged EVM rigging that takes place, how there is alleged rigging of electoral rolls that has been the cause of concern by a number of political parties, including the Aam Aadmi Party. Are you satisfied with the explanation that has been given by the Chief Election Commissioner today?
So Aam Aadmi Party has the highest respect for the democracy in all the highest agencies, including Election Commission. As mentioned by the Chief Election Commissioner, yes, it is our right to ask questions, and if doubts linger in our mind, it is well within our rights to address them. We will examine all the explanation that he has given, and if any doubt is left, we will definitely raise the issue.
What do you make of what the Chief Election Commissioner has said about certain voter IDs the names being removed from certain regions of Delhi? He says this is not justified, this cannot practically happen.
So we've done our due diligence. Our own workers, volunteers, our own block level authorities have done the rounds, and we have found certain discrepancies. We will compare our notes with what CEC has said, and if still we feel that there is something shady or something of concern, we will again raise it up with the agencies, because we live in democracy. I mean, our doubts should also be settled to rest.
Okay. All right. Stay on with me, Nimi. Also on the telecast with me is Anand. Anand, give us